Good morning, guys. Day 112 complete. I believe it's week 16 since we closed. And look at here. We got a lot of tile in. So it's coming along, guys. It is coming along. We have been working the plumbers. Look, all this tile. They got a lot done yesterday. Plumber's been busy. Electrician's been busy. The electrician hooked up all of the washers. So that is good. And they came a long ways on the dryers. Let me show you that. What do you guys think of this tile? It's gonna be nice. Once the lights are on, it's gonna really shine. Looky there, gas and electric, but no venting. The venting is an issue. So here we got no electric yet, but they've been working on it. So yeah, the venting is an issue. I got a meeting again this morning with these guys. These guys are so confused. I'm like, I don't understand. I told them to come to my other location, just take a look. And they think, oh no, we understand. And then next thing you know, they're like, hey, we're going through the wall there. Let's see here. Turn on the light. No electric here at all. But they got 1.5 sections done. So anyhow, I don't know exactly what is going on back here. We need to get the power actually in here. So that is important. The doors, man, they said 10 weeks. So that is frustrating. I'm half frustrated and half excited about how things are going. And then all in reality, I'm like, well, 10 weeks, really? By the time we get everything in here, it's probably the reality. So I better just kind of get used to it. So 10 weeks, we'll be open. I thought tile was gonna be it. Look at that, they got all the way to the wall. So anyhow, any kind of thing I need to really talk to you guys about, I don't know. I think any suggestions or thoughts, guys? Otherwise, that is just an update. Visually, all you can see is all this tile. We're going to tile like that brick is all going to be covered up with tile. All these bases are going to have tile. They were asking me, what do they glue them on, or does anybody know? Because when I hire people, I kind of expect them to know how to do it. Don't ask me for advice on that stuff. I just hire people. So anyhow, yeah, I don't know what to do with the bases. I do want tile on there no matter what, because that looks nice. I haven't met my other one. And yeah, that is what we're going to do, because distributor said put stainless steel down there. But I don't want my clean ladies bending over and clean that stainless steel. I want them just be able to mop it, clean it. That might just get someone to want another job. instead of sticking around. So I want people to stick around for a long time, working here, enjoying it, having fun, and not break their back. It doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes little things like that, just what we think is little, cleaning the base is like that. Bending down on a big place like this, it's no good. So this way we could just mop, it's all clean, they could stand, and it's just easy. And that's what we like. We like easy. That's why we're in the laundromat business. So that someday it could be easy. And anyhow, I'm rambling. Just want to give you guys an update, a visual update. Just, we'll just keep on plugging along and get you another video here whenever there's some action. All right, guys, see ya.